Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the cool hills of Huntley, Brownstown, St. Anne, this charming older home offers a tranquil escape or long-term residence. The main house features a welcoming veranda leading to a combined living and dining areas, a separate kitchen with large pantry and 4 bedrooms, 3 ensuite, and 4 bathrooms, plus a walk-in linen closet, a separate 1 bedroom suite with a kitchenette and bathroom, accessible from the expansive back patio, offers flexibility as a helper's facility, guest suite, or an income potential. Ample storage is located off the back patio, along with a laundry room. The property also features a 1 bedroom flat at the rear, a concrete water tank with a pump and a rooftop black tank. The land size is 1.2 acres and approximately two-thirds of the land is cultivated with a variety of fruit trees, including bananas, plantain, coconut, apple, pineapple, star apple, and lychee, fully grilled and meshed. This property is conveniently located near major North Coast towns and amenities, including supermarkets, entertainment, beaches, and other businesses, making it an ideal retreat with some potential for upgrades. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $60 million, or US $380.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.